Hey everyone, how's it going today? So welcome to a special video of Artland, and the reason this is a special video is because today is the big guy's birthday, and that is Godzilla. So let's give a nice 66 happy birthday to Godzilla. 66 years ago, his first movie aired in theaters, and ever since then he has kind of taken over by storm. So in today's special video, I want to just do a fun drawing of a bunch of different Godzilla characters, because let's be honest, without all of my Godzilla videos, my Artland channel would not be where it is today. So I just want to say thank you to all the support of all the big Godzilla fans out there, and let's have some fun with a really cool big Godzilla drawing. So I'm going to start off by doing a quick sketch of all of the different characters that I want to include in my Godzilla drawing. So that was a lot of characters to draw. I definitely wanted to kind of go with some different characters from all over the different time periods, from the new Godzilla movies and the old Godzilla movies, and just kind of mixed and matched. So I think overall it turned out pretty good. We've got a lot of different characters in there. I think some ones like Rodan and Anguirus turned out really good. And I wanted to mix some of the new ones in here, like the Muto and Behemoth and Methuselah. And then also give a shout out to some of the old ones, like the original Mothra, Titanosaurus, Varan, Biolante, all those really cool ones. So now that we have this all done, what I want to do is I want to add some color to it. So I'm going to grab my markers and I'm going to add some fun color to this. So let's see how it turns out.